In May this year, I'm going to be talking to Elia's Focus on Executives in Rhodes. I'm going to be talking about the Leadership Flywheel. Now, the Leadership Flywheel's got three parts. The first part is all about the fundamentals of a business: purpose, vision, and strategy. Purpose being about why you exist, vision about where you want to be in 3 years' time, and strategy, how you're differentiated. In the second part, I'm going to be talking about how to create an outstanding high-performing team, starting with wrapping around it with goals and a purpose, creating an element of safety in the business so that people will be vulnerable and open with each other, leading to constructive conflict, commitment, accountability, and finally team results. In the final piece, I'm going to look at the emotional parts of the business, the culture that runs through the business. And that's going to start with a look at happiness and how we create happy teams, motivation theories, engagement to get more out of people, resilience and grit, and finally, how those all fit together. Why do we call it the Leadership Flywheel? Well, it's because if one of those areas slows down, they all slow down. So it's really vital for leaders to make sure they've got all these pieces in place and all are moving at a good pace.